Anchored VWAP, the superpower tool for stock market newbies.
Anchored VWAP is a superpowered tool for stock market newbies. Hello, my dear listeners. I am Mansi, your friend and guide in the stock market world. Wow, what a special day this is. Imagine you're new to the market's jungle and I am sharing a secret tool with you that works like a tycoon with over 30 years of trading experience. Yes, that's me, a stock market tycoon who's been through every kind of market cycle, ridden the bull market's high, learned to bend in bears, seen crashes, risen in recoveries. I've read every top book, from Warren Buffett to Jesse Livermore. And today, I'm super excited to tell you about Anchored VWAP. This tool will transform your trading. Let's go step by step in a simple way as I take you along with my stories. Ready? Let's start. First, the basics. What is VWAP? Friends, VWAP means volume weighted average price. In simple words, it's the average price of a stock calculated by considering volume, meaning prices with higher volume get more weight. It resets daily from market open. But anchored VWAP, it's special. It's a version of VWAP, but you started from a specific point called the anchor, like a big event, earnings report, or high-low point. It tells you the market sentiment from that anchor onwards. Wow, think how powerful it is. In the 1990s, during a market crash, my father used standard VWAP, but anchored gave him entry points in the recovery. That moment touches the heart when you know the market is your friend, not foe. Now, step by step. Step 1. What does VWAP do? It shows the fair value of the market. If price is above VWAP, bullish sentiment, buyers in control. Below, bearish, sellers dominate. But anchored VWAP measures all this from a specific anchor. Let's example. Suppose Reliance stock gaps up after earnings. You set anchor on that earnings candle. Now the anchored VWAP line forms, showing the average price after earnings. If price bounces above that line, support found. If it breaks below, resistance. This tool doesn't ignore volume, so it shows real market sentiment. In my life, after the 2008 crash, I anchored at the bottom. That line told me buyers are returning. My heart raced, but I trusted and booked profits. You'll feel this excitement too. Step 2. What does it do? Anchored VWAP reveals market psychology. Institutional traders, big players use it to see their average cost. If price is above the anchored line, they hold or add. Below, panic sell. It creates support and resistance levels that are volume-based, not artificial. And yes, it confirms trends. Slope upward, bullish. Downward, bearish. Sometimes I anchor on monthly highs and see how far the market goes. Once in 2020, I anchored TCS on budget day. Price went far from the line but came back. That pullback gave me a perfect entry. I get emotional thinking about it because trading isn't just money, it's connection with the market. Now, step 3. How do pros use it? Wow, this part is the most exciting. Professional traders like institutional investors treat anchored VWAP as their secret weapon. They trade big blocks, so use it to minimize impact cost. For example, in breakout trading, if price breaks above the anchored line with volume, long enter. Break down below, short. Buy on pullbacks to support, sell at resistance. Swing traders use weekly or monthly anchors. Day traders on intraday highs lows. I've seen experts like Brian Shannon with 30 plus years anchor on earnings or news. A story not mine but inspiring. In 2020, GameStop short squeeze. Traders anchored at the spike start. The line showed buyers in control and those who entered above profited. Pros use multiple anchors, one on high, one on low, to find confluence. They set stop losses below the line. This method improves risk reward. Imagine you're trading like a pro. Step 4. How to choose anchor? This is crucial, my dear newbies. Anchor any significant point, earnings, product launch, gap up down, ATH, or swing highs lows. For day trader, intraday points. For swing, weekly. Avoid mistakes. Don't change anchor frequently, but re-anchor on market changes. Be cautious near volatility. Don't ignore broader market. Step 5. Calculation is simple. Formula is cumulative of price times volume divided by cumulative volume from the anchor. Platforms auto-calculate. Which platforms provided? TradingView as a drawing tool, so free. TrendSpider, advanced with rolling options. Stock charts as overlay. Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, customizable. CTrader, good for Forex. In India, Zerodha, Kite or Grow has VWAP, but for anchored, use third-party add-ons. TradingView, best start for all. Now, practical ideas. For newbies, 1. On daily chart, anchor last earnings, watch price interaction, buy on pullback, stop below the line. 2. Use multiple anchors, trade on confluence. 3. Confirm with volume spikes. 4. Practice on paper trading. 5. Risk management, never risk more than 1 to 2%. My idea? After IPO, anchor on opening price, hold if price stays above the line. This is thought provoking. Is the market random? No. Anchored VWAP shows institutional flow. Friends, this tool will give your trading an emotional connection to the market. I'm excited because you'll succeed. Please like this podcast, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Love you all. Goodbye.